Hello all. Let's see how to solve numerical questions on Bragg's law. What is Bragg's law? Bragg's law defines condition for constructive interference of X-rays scattered from crystal lattice. It explains that X-rays reflect off atomic planes at a specific angle theta to produce diffraction peaks, which are used in X-ray crystallography to determine atomic structures. Here is the equation. 2d sine theta is equal to n lambda. In this equation, n is nothing but order of diffraction, which could be 1, 2, 3, like that. Lambda is the wavelength of incident X-rays. D is the distance between atomic planes in the crystal. And theta is the angle of incidence, which is also called as Bragg's angle. Now let's take one numerical statement. Here it is given X-ray of wavelength 1.6 angstrom are diffracted by an Bragg's crystal spectrometer at an angle of 14.2 degree in the first order. It is asked to calculate the spacing of atomic layers in the crystal. So, from the given statement we can say lambda is provided, which is 1.6 angstrom. Order of spectrum is given, n is equal to 1. Theta, Bragg's angle is provided 14.2 degree, and it is asked to calculate distance d in between atomic planes. Now let's see the formula, which is nothing but n lambda is equal to 2d sine theta. Put values into the formula. Value of n is 1. Lambda is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. 2 will be as it is. We need to calculate d, and theta is 14.2. Now rearrange the terms for d. The equation will become 1.6 divided by sine of 14.2 is 0.2453 multiplied by 2 into 10 to the power minus 10. So if you do the calculations, you will find the value of d is nothing but 3.26 angstrom. So here we can say the spacing of atomic layer in the crystal is 3.6 angstrom. So like this you can solve the numerical questions related to the Bragg's. Now we will see another example. Here again it is asked what is the distance between the adjacent atomic planes if the first order reflection from the X-rays of wavelength 2.29 angstrom occurs at 28 degree. So here first let's see the given data. Lambda is provided 2.29 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. We have converted angstrom into meter over here. Theta is equal to 28 degree. N is provided, which is nothing but 1, and we have to calculate d. Formula we know, n lambda is equal to 2d sine theta. N1 2.29 into 10 to the power minus 10 value of lambda multiplied by 2d into sine of 28 degree. So again rearrange the terms for value of d. That will be 2.29 divided by 0.9388. We have taken the sine 28 degree value and multiplied it by 2. So here the value will become d is equal to 2.44 angstrom. So we can say that the spacing of atomic layer in the crystal is 2.44 angstrom. Now here one another example is given. Here it is asked to calculate the longest wavelength that is seen in the diamond crystal. The interplanar spacing in this case is 2.40 angstrom, and that is in the first order. So while writing solution first will give the given data. N is equal to 1. D is provided 2.40 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, and it is asked to calculate lambda max. We know the formula. N lambda is equal to 2d sine theta. For longest wavelength, sine theta will have the value of 1. Sine theta max will be equal to 1. So therefore, if we rewrite the equation for lambda, it will be lambda max is equal to 2d sine theta divided by n. Put values into the formula. do the calculation, you will find lambda max is equal to 4.8 angstrom. So in this case, the highest value of lambda will be 4.8 angstrom. So like this, you can solve the numerical questions related to Bragg's law. Thanks for your patience listening.